Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel 7 video tutorial we will learn about some improvement in the route model binding. So let's see the video's point. So first of all, these are the points. So first of all, we will see that what is the route model binding and its improvement in the Laravel 7. And after that, actually I already make a controller, router and DB connection so that we can save the time. What we actually have to do in this video, so we have to make a model, we have to get inside it controller, and we have to apply the route model binding simply, right? So now what is the route model binding? So simply when we just get the data from the database, then we can filter it out on the behalf of the routing parameters. So let's say I have some data like my post table, and if I just pass some data in the routing like 1, and it can filter out the data with the behalf of ID 1. But this is actually possible in the Laravel 6. But let's say I just want to put here name, but in the Laravel 6 you cannot filter out the data with the behalf of name and category and all. It's only can filter out the data in the behalf of ID. Alright, but now in the 7 we can also perform the filter with the behalf of ID, with the name, in the category and all. Alright, so now let's see that how we can do it. So first of all, let's clear out the command line and just make a model PHP artisan serve, it's not serve, make model, and model name is product because my table name is products. So now you can see that we got a model here. So now let's just import it inside my controller and just write here use app and model name, which is product, and now just write here simply return product : all. And now let's check the result. Route is already created with the name of YouTube, and now you can see that we got the old data. In the database I have this only 3 entries, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, so if I just want to get this data in with the parameter like this, so we just have to make some changes. So I'm going to show you with the changes. So this is not possible now, but let's open the route and just pass a one parameter like ID. Alright, and let's come on the controller and just define a $ID, the kind of product table name, and just simply return here $ID, right? And now our ID is present between 6, 7 and 8. So let's put here 8 here. Now you can see that we get the data behalf of it on the behalf of the behalf of 1 or 3. This is not will come because this ID is not present. Alright, so this is basically possible in the Laravel 6 also. But if I just want to put here my category, like if I just put here 7, the behalf of my category mobile, then how can I get it? Alright, so for that I just have to make some more changes. Like this is the actual improvement in the Laravel 7. So if I just put here like item, and here I can just put here category, which is actually directly belong to the column, and now I just put this item as a parameter and let's get it here. Alright, now let's pass it mobile here, and now you can see that we got the data with the mobile, but there is only one data, but my old categories are mobile of the 3 data. So how can I get it? For that you just have to use here $all function. So now you can see that we got the all data. Alright, so this is the new improvement of the Laravel 7 route model binding. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.